how to trade a double bottom chart pattern like a pro. How to trade a double bottom chart pattern like a pro. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. And our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. The title of the video is How to Trade a Double Bottom Chart Pattern Like a Pro. Let's get started, all right? A double bottom chart pattern is a bullish chart pattern that is all usually formed at the end of a downtrend, all right? So the first condition is that we may see the price going down, going down, and then at the end the price may form a double bottom chart pattern. The regular double bottom chart pattern is the equal low a double bottom chart pattern. Now, how do we trade the double bottom chart pattern at the end of a downtrend like a pro? Apart from the end of a downtrend, we are likely also to see a double bottom chart pattern, in an uptrend, all right? So I don't want to dwell on that because the price may go up like this, so price going up in a rising channel, so we are in a rising channel, price going up. We can also see a double bottom chart pattern, in a rising channel. Price go up from A to B, and then the price may pull back, and then form a double bottom chart pattern before resuming the trend. In that case, we will expect what we call, a continuation pattern. So which means, in this case, the double bottom chart pattern is a continuation chart pattern. So price going down from in a rising channel, then it pull back and form a double bottom chart pattern in a rising channel, and the price going above the nut, In this tutorial, I will be talking about the nut. So I need to clarify what is the nut. So we can see here, I'm looking at the pound-yen currency pair on a monthly chart. By the way, the double bottom chart pattern on a monthly chart is a high probability trading setup for swing traders and position traders. Have I said that in public? All right, I said it. I'm not going to repeat again, all right? So what I call the nut is that price going down. You see here it's going down, many months from this first low here. And then rally up, form this high here, and then pull back and form a double bottom chart pattern, So I'm here now. I'm going to color that into pink, so you know exactly where I am, So our double bottom chart pattern is this one here and this one here, all right? What I call the nut is this one here, this last high before the last low, So this is what I call the nut. So if you hear me talking about the nut, is this one here. I want to add something new, which I never mentioned to traders before today. So I want you to stay tuned and watch the full length for this tutorial, So when we see a double bottom chart pattern, so here it is, it went down and then pull up, form the nut, and then pull back. Here we are. So we are here now. What I want you to do is to highlight the low and the second low, So this one and this one, You will also highlight the nuts, And also, what I want you to do is to highlight the range of the double bottom chart pattern, So I'm going to color it also into pink. I need to change this because I will get confused later on. I have too many pink lines on my chart because this one is a very important key level, 17481. That's the long-term equilibrium price level for the pound-yen currency pair. That's the line here. So once we highlight the low, the equal low, and the nut, next step, highlight the range of the double bottom pattern. So you will draw one horizontal line here, connecting the two low, and you will draw another line that is parallel to the first line that we have drawn here from the nut. So here it is, price goes down from a low, when up display the nut, and then pull back here, display equal low. Now we have a double bottom chart pattern. So the price will start going up a bit before we can start talking about the double bottom chart pattern, I don't want the video to be too long. all right, should start going up at least from here before we can start talking about a possible double bottom chart pattern. So when a pattern is start forming, we will say that a double bottom chart pattern is being formed. It's not yet completed, but it's being formed, okay? So we highlight the low and the equal low and the nut, okay? And then we highlight the next step, we highlight the range of the double bottom chart pattern as I did here. Next step, the next step is to divide the range of the double bottom pattern into two. Why? That's a very good question. Very, very good question, all right? Why do we need to put a median line there, okay? If the price start going up from the second low here, the first challenge is the median line of the range of the double bottom chart pattern. So suppose you were using a top-down trading method from the second low here, and the price start going up, okay? So you can take some profit or secure your profit as the price approaching the median line of the range of the double bottom chart pattern. Why? Because sometimes the price will find a resistance here near the median line and start going down again. Therefore, if you buy here, it's better to secure your gain or take profit here and then to wait again and see what the price will do. If you close the trade here and you want to buy again, you will expect the price to break above the median line, to retest it, and to confirm the median line as a support level before you will buy again above the median line, and the next target will be the nuts. So first attempt to buy here at the second low. First target, minimum target, the median line. We can take that profit, we can secure it. Very important to secure it. Okay. We want to buy again. If we don't close the first trade, we can buy again here if we find a support. So we can have two trades open. So first one we bought it here. Second one we will buy it above the median line if the price finds a support above it. The next target will be at the nuts. Remember something very important. The double bottom chart pattern is a bullish chart pattern, but the price action will become very, very bullish only if the price breaks above the nut and they find a support. So though it's a bullish chart pattern, it's not out of the wood here, so to speak, all right? It will become very bullish if it breaks above the nuts and they find a support and start displaying higher lows, higher high above the nut. This is how we can trade the double bottom chart pattern like a professional trader. So the steps are very simple. First condition, price in a downtrend, boom, 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 down, okay, good, all right. Now it displays low, now form a high, and then pull back and display equal low. We draw the first line, which is the pink line here, okay. We also draw, and we highlight the first low and the equal low first, and then we highlight the range of the double bottom pattern. One line connecting the low, another line from the nut here, okay. Next step. We also draw the median line of the range of the double bottom chart pattern. We use a top-down trading method to buy here. If you receive a buy signal, we'll buy. And the first target is the median line of the range of the double bottom chart pattern. We can secure that profit or bank it. All right? Price breaks above the median line and find a support. We can buy again. The next target is the nut. Remember, the price will become very bullish only if the price breaks above the nut and find a support. This is the picture. Down, 1, 2, 3. Okay, highlight the lows, highlight the range, okay, highlight the nuts and the range of the double bottom chart pattern, draw the median line, and take the correct step with a top-down trading method. This is how one can trade a double bottom chart pattern like a pro. But that is something else. But I cannot share that with you today because it's part of the TSTW24 trading system. We have another filter that we use as a TSTW24 trader to filter out, okay, the double bottom chart pattern. I cannot talk about that today, but I can only share this with you today because this one is not confidential. And with this information, you can improve your double bottom chart pattern trading and trade the double bottom chart pattern like a professional trader. The next step, the double bottom chart pattern, as I explained to you, we want to know when and where the double bottom chart pattern is likely to be formed. Anytime we are dealing with a pattern, we want to know when and where the pattern is being formed. Fibonacci pattern, okay, Gartley pattern. When and when do we have those patterns? Double bottom chart pattern, the best place is at the end of a downtrend. But also sometimes we see in a rising channel near a support level. So in an uptrend, so you price in a rising channel, price goes up and form a double bottom chart pattern. This is a high probability trading setup for swing traders also. So in this case, because the price is in a rising channel, now form a double bottom chart pattern, okay, at a key level. We will see that very often. Probably retesting the double bottom pattern will be formed above the prior high somewhere here, okay? So when we see like this, we buy here because it's a continuation chart pattern. We can let the trade run, okay? If the price come out of the channel a little bit as it did here, okay? Be aware of the edge of, okay, the rising channel here, that right here. Pay attention to that. You will see sometimes you come out of the channel a little bit like this before going up. So be aware of the edge of the channel here. If the price reaches that level, secure your gain, all right? Or move your stop loss to secure some of your gain. If you don't want to take profit, secure some of your gain. Move your stop loss a little bit up. The next target, apart from the edge of the rising channel, is the median line of the channel. All right? So you will touch the channel like this, and then we'll try to touch, okay, the median line of the rising channel. I don't want the video to be too long. I will leave it as it is, and I hope you have learned something from it to improve your day trading and your swing trading. But before we go, I have something else to show you here. Look at the pound-yen currency pair. Look what has happened here, okay? So we have a downtrend, okay? So like I said to you, we highlight the low. Now we formed it now, we highlight it now. We have the double bottom chart pattern. Price start going up here. Now we highlight, okay, the range of the double bottom pattern between the pink line here and this pink line here. Okay, I'm going to use my measuring stick on this chart. This is the range of this double bottom chart pattern. Okay, we are on a monthly chart. We can see this on the 4-hour chart, but on a monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart, you'll see that, okay? All right, but it's true on every time frame. So we highlight the range. Now we draw the median line. That's the blue line here. Look what has happened near the median line. After the pound-yen currency pair formed a double bottom chart pattern, it started going up. Look what has happened. It hit the median line of the range of the double bottom chart pattern, and then the final resistance. Can you believe it? Now it pulled back, okay, and formed a new lower low. But after the new lower low, look what we see here. Another double bottom chart pattern. Can you see? So when you see a double bottom chart pattern in the same zone, you see the first one, and then you see another one, you know that there is a support in that zone. So we have the first double bottom chart pattern, which couldn't go above the median line. Now we have a new double bottom chart pattern. Okay, we can implement the same strategy here, highlight the W, highlight the range, highlight the median line of this one again, and then take it from there. But we have two double bottom chart patterns that are side by side, okay? You need to pay attention to the bigger double bottom chart pattern. So in this case, I will focus carefully. You see, this was the resistance because the first time it couldn't go above it. I will extend this line here. Pay attention to this line that I'm extending now. I will color it now into green to get your attention because I have too many lines on my chart which I need on my chart. Here it is. Pay attention to the median line of the first double bottom chart pattern. Look what the price did there. As the price, because it found a resistance here before, people sold it here, okay? Now, we want it to break above it. Here it is. It break above it with the bullish candle, and then retest it here. This is a bullish trading setup. We will use a top-down trading method here, and now it start going up from the median line. What is the next target? The next target is where? Near the nut of the bigger double bottom chart pattern, the pink one. Look what's happened here. So you can see price came near here, this level here. Trader took profit. This is what I'm saying to you. It's not out of the wood here. They took profit. These are conservative traders. He pulled back, went back to the same level, which is the previous night here, and then a pullback again before he ran away. If the price breaks above the nut, you will set a target, my friend. You want to know how to set a target for a double bottom chart pattern. You measure the range of the double bottom chart pattern. So you have the range, okay, you know it now, the range of the double bottom chart pattern. Sometimes it may take so long, you say it took it so long before it breaks above it. But don't forget, finally it breaks above it, and you will set your target here. Where is the target? Look, look, look. This is the knot. You project it, and here we are. That's where the pound dollar, the pound yen found a resistance. Am I talking to myself? Look where the professional set the target, the projection of the range of the double bottom chart pattern, this one here. Okay? It breaks above the knot, and they project it here, above the knot, and that's where it did stop, right here. Are you with me? Now you can trade the double bottom chart pattern like a professional trader. Okay? So here again, you don't want to forget this one also. Look carefully here. As the price was going up, look at the second double bottom chart pattern. Price going up, okay, we have the range of the smaller double bottom chart pattern. Look at this candle here. This one. Why this one got a tail? Because traders sold it somewhere near, okay, the knot of the smaller double bottom chart pattern. Price went down a little bit before going back up. Okay, all right. It makes sense. It makes sense. It is also powerful. This is how one can trade the double bottom chart pattern like a professional trader. Highlight the double low, highlight the knots, highlight the range of the double bottom chart pattern, draw the median line, and trade from the second low to the median line. Wait for the price to find a support above the median line, and if it finds support, the next target will be the knot. If there is a resistance near the median line, you will sell instead, okay, and then it will come down. Your target will be the first low here, step by step, like a professional trader. It makes sense? When you see a double bottom chart pattern aligning side by side, you know that you are in a support zone. When you see a double top chart pattern side by side, you know that you are in a resistance zone. In fact, this is what we call a fractal pattern. A double bottom chart pattern being formed here. We have another double bottom chart pattern. Those are double bottom chart pattern. These are what we call a fractal pattern. All right? And here it is, and the trend now has begun. The double bottom chart pattern on the monthly chart is a high probability trading setup for who? For swing traders and also for position traders. All right? It makes sense? It is also powerful. Okay? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade the double bottom chart pattern like a professional trader. If you have any question, put in the comment section. You have any suggestion, put in the comment section. And in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. Happy trading to you all, and then we will speak to you very soon.